Now it's me, Jimmy T, married with PMU. Now this video is introduce myself, say hello to my audience. My channel is growing little by little. This is what I want, but of course, when I do better, I believe myself will be grow a lot faster. So it's kind of commitment for myself. Now, it's need to be introduce myself. I don't think this video I will be added just a boom upload to YouTube. Not easy, but I can see myself getting better and better. Look at the background. This is, you see me sometimes, it's just right in front of this background. I just make it 2 weeks ago. Now, as an artist, always want to improve a little bit, but sometimes you give yourself too much pressure. I've been picky. I want everything become the best, but give myself a little bit pressure. So during this many years, I learned now every day +1 will be enough. Now, why I get into this PMU industry is really by accident. I was a graphics designer like many years ago, and I thought, okay, PMU is about drawing, and then I get into it, but it's totally different. Well, a lot different, but a little bit related. Everything little bit related. I start with scalp micropigmentation first. Because my kids still young, I want to have my own business, and then I thought I can spend more time with the kids, but opposite, okay? I running into really bad financial situation. After that, I really don't have enough time to taking care of my kids. But anyway, I get into it, I go through it. Now, scalp micropigmentation is what I thought I dealing with a lot of guys, okay, easier to deal with. But honestly, for PMU, no. Right now, I'm dealing with 95% or 99% is female customers. They are a lot easier to deal with. The guys, as long as you make them beautiful, right? As simple as that. In the beginning, I thought, okay, deal with the woman, it's very difficult. But once you do in a job better than they expecting, you will get a lot of respect from them. They will be so friendly to you. Of course, you need to treat them very professionally. Now, so that's why I don't get enough business. So anyway, I get my license, I get all the equipments. So, and I spend money to learn browse. Okay, browse is a big category. So when I learn browse, my business come the clients get more customers little by little, and then able to get a stable income. I'm not saying in the beginning you will make a lot of money, but as long as you can pay your bill, and then sometimes you get a little bit extra now. And then get used to the brows, and then the customers start asking, hey, do you do lips, do you do eyeliner, something like that, and then I learn, so everything is related, make your business more solid. All those PMU, the equipment is about the same, the knowledge is about the same, just a little bit different, maybe using different needles, different ink, the machines is a little bit different. In this channel, a lot of people asking me, because I have so many channel talk about, the video talk about the machines. Now the machines is right there, hopefully you can see so many, even from China. This is what they say, oh, this is good for nano machine hair stroke brows. I buy it and try it. This is the summary is, as long as the machine is doing okay, as long as you know when and how to use these machines. Every machine is about the same. Of course, the expensive machine is a little bit better quality, but compare all the expensive machines is 5 times more expensive. Is it 5 times better? No. Every machine, the selling point is different. So in this channel, I will tell you everything. Now, a lot of technique, a lot of training, but everything is kind of related. So daytime, I'm working my PMU, and then at night, I need to watch the kids. During watching the kids, I can edit the video, so bring my income more solid. This is what I'm expecting, but It's take time. Everything need to take time. But the thing is, I'm doing something I love to do. I'm happy every day. So give me a lot of motivative to move forward. This is so important. Now, I wish I get into this industry a lot earlier. Now, when I around 20 at graphic design, I spent so much time, but graphic design, I love drawing, and then okay, I get into graphic design because back to like maybe 90s, something like that. Drawing artists, you cannot really make money. Like by that time, tattoo is not that popular. Okay, permanent makeups is not that popular. So if you're a drawing artist, so you pretty much either you go comics book, okay, or you go graphic design, and then end up I take graphic design, and then I figured out, I really love drawing only. So PMU, well, I can do drawing, I can still doing graphic design like marketing, create my website. Now during the difficult time, I learned the video editing. Now, of course, English is not my first language, but you know what happened is when I do more YouTube, when I talk more in front of the camera, okay, I can see myself have a little bit improvement. Now, my channel, I don't want to be like so boring to share my experience with you. Because why? Like I taking so many, I spent so much money, and then like the school, the class, the mentor, okay, they fool you too many like terminology, and then honestly I just fall to sleep. So studies should be fun, right? You learn something, and then you can use it and then generate income. Should be funny. So this is like I want to share a little bit my experience with you. A lot of information they give us is so basic, like terminology. I don't know what they worry about. Like they worry about like when you talk too much, teach you too much, it's overwhelming yourself. So during like almost this 6 years, all my experience, I put it in my channel using the most simple way, more straightforward to tell you. Of course, I need your help, okay? If you figured out something I might say wrong, or like you want to see something like you cannot, no one explain to you, okay, leave a comment below, okay? I try my best to reply to you. Of course, you start getting some haters, but everywhere getting the haters. So I look at it this way, sometimes the people leave a bad reply, doesn't mean they're just like messing around. It's okay, but I know what I'm doing now. So this is like kind of a little bit mentality. So now today mornings, unfortunately, I don't have customers. So hey, make some video. You never know. Hey, I make a video like I think it's a couple weeks ago, put it into my another channel. It's talk about my company. Hey, it's generate a little bit sales. So this is a little bit stuff you can do during the little bit downtime. Of course, you cannot 100% every day busy. This is impossible right now. I think this video I'm filming is like tax season maybe. So, but you find something to do, like you practice, you recording, do some marketing. So this is good for your future. You generate more customers. I know right now everything expensive. Like I just pay my rent right here. Like I talk to the owner, hey, everything going up, gas going up, electricity going up, little stuff going up. Even my kids eating the chips is going up. So and then our industry, every industry is getting more competitive. So we need to work harder, of course, work smarter. We don't allow us to go a little bit wrong directions, okay? We need to narrow it down and go to the right directions, okay? So the purpose of this video is say hello and say thank you and introduce myself, make you more understand me. So if you don't understand me enough, watch my watch my channel, watch more video. This is what I can promise. I will do little by little, getting better and better. This is my mentality. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.